Sasuke Uchiha's maneuvers. Sasuke grows up to be a very strong shinobi. He was able to compete with Akatsuki members due to merging with Orochimaru. He decided to look for Orochimaru to ask for his strength. He was given training to kill but did not kill any of his opponents because according to him only one person deserved to be killed, namely Itachi Uchiha. He then felt that he had surpassed Orochimaru and decided to kill him. When Sasuke attacked Orochimaru with his sword-shaped chakra, an enraged Orochimaru turned into a giant snake and attacked Sasuke with only one sight. Finally Sasuke managed to kill Orochimaru, who was already weak because it was time for Orochimaru to switch bodies using Tensei Ninjutsu. News of Orochimaru's death spread everywhere. Sasuke then decided to create a team called Team Hebai, Team Snake. He then met Suijutsu, Karin, and Jugo, all of whom were experiments of Orochimaru. He said if they could follow him or not. Sasuke displayed extraordinary abilities when fighting against Orochimaru's experiments. He instructed Suijutsu not to kill any of them. He then said the purpose of forming the snake team. Sasuke vs. Deidara. They then arrived at a city to find Itachi Uchiha. There are already 8 team members from Konoha waiting there. Sasuke then met with Deidara and fight. Deidara used an explosive clay trap planted by his teammate Tobi. Sasuke was overwhelmed. He then used a sword as a foothold and attacked Deidara, who made the dragon fly from clay. Deidara, who was attacked, was just a bait. He was actually under Sasuke's feet. He trapped him and attacked Sasuke with a C-type bomb that destroyed anything in his path on a microscopic scale. Sasuke managed to trick Deidara with genjutsu and fired electricity at Deidara, which turned out to be able to paralyze the clay doll he made. Deidara, who was at his wit's end, detonated himself with a huge explosion that resembled an atomic bomb. Sasuke escaped badly injured because he summoned Manda, the giant snake, and entered his mouth. Manda himself died of it. Sasuke's battle against Itachi. A few days after treatment for Sasuke's fight against Deidara, Sasuke rushes to complete his mission. On the way, he met Itachi, who turned out to be just a bunshin made by Itachi. The bunshin made by Itachi told Sasuke to fight him in the secret room of the Uchiha clan. After hearing Itachi's words, Team Hebai moved towards the designated battle location. There they were intercepted by Hoshigaki Kisame, who only allowed Sasuke to get through. Reunited with Itachi, the two of them fought. In the first battle, the two of them used each other's genjutsu techniques. Itachi, who used the genjutsu Tsukuyomi, was unable to fight Sasuke's determination, so that his greatest genjutsu technique could be broken by Sasuke's genjutsu. Because of that, Itachi started his second attack using his shuriken. Likewise with Sasuke. They competed with each other on their shuriken techniques, and because Itachi's vision began to blur due to overuse of the Mangekyo Sharingan, the second battle was won by Sasuke. Seeing Sasuke's development rapidly increasing, Itachi also used his strongest technique, Amaterasu. Itachi's ninjutsu technique will burn whatever is in front of him in the form of black flames. Sasuke, who is starting to run out of chakra, uses his last and strongest stance, lightning that strikes from the sky in the form of a dragon called Kirin. The last move that Sasuke issued resulted in the destruction of the secret room building of the Uchiha clan. But Itachi could withstand Sasuke's strong and fast attack by using his flagship technique, Susanoo. Due to running out of chakra, Orochimaru, who was sucked by Sasuke, managed to get out of Sasuke's body in the form of Hydra because Sasuke's absence was suppressing him. Orochimaru also attacked Itachi, along with his Susanoo, but Orochimaru's efforts failed because Itachi's ability was superior to him. By using the Totsuga sword hidden in Susanoo, Itachi destroyed Orochimaru forever from Sasuke's body. With his remaining strength, Itachi approached Sasuke to take his eyeballs. Sasuke attacks, but all his efforts are in vain considering Susanoo is still protecting Itachi. After approaching Sasuke, Itachi touched Sasuke's forehead and then fell to his knees and died from running out of chakra and the injuries suffered from using all the Mangekyo Sharingan moves. It rained and Sasuke also collapsed from running out of chakra. They were both brought in by Tobi and Zetsu, who watched their movements during the fight. At Akatsuki headquarters, Tobi told the truth about the Uchiha and Itachi clans. Madara told Sasuke that Itachi actually killed the Uchiha clan on the orders of the 3rd Hokage, Danzo, and Go-Ikenbane, Homura Mitokado and Koharu Yudiden, and did not kill Sasuke because he thought Sasuke's life was more valuable than the village of Konoha. The Sasuke vs Itachi fight also turned out to be Itachi's plan to seal Orochimaru forever and awaken Sasuke's Manjiki Sharingan. Madara stated that Itachi planned that he should fight Sasuke and die in his presence.